So what is interesting here, when we talk about agile and productivity, then we add an aspect to it. Well, how can we use AI in order to increase productivity? That's a very interesting question. Or how can we use AI in order to decrease lead time? That's also really interesting. And that's when if I ask ChatGPT, how shall we apply lean? Then I get a bullshit answer because lean is undefined. It's very, very blurry. But if I ask ChatGPT, how can I decrease the lead time of a process within heart surgery? Then I get 20 crisp answers about exactly what type of practices to change in order to decrease lead time within that certain context. And now it starts to become interesting because then I have the survival plus AI or whatever it is. So going back to your question, self-improving organization. For me, I think it's about improving. That's the survival of a company. Self-improving, that is definitely kind of a choice. How do we improve? And I think that since the world is not so functional nowadays, I mean, my wife is from California. She's applied for Swedish citizenship and it takes years. And when she moved here, it took 22 months to get a visa. So we had to move to Norway, even if we were married. And I did a cancer diagnosis 7 years ago. It took 6 months and I almost died just because I thought that I was going to die because I have 3 of my best friends died in cancer. So there's a lot of things that is happening here in the world that is not so great. And going back to what lean is, it's about, or agile, it's a system theory. So if we need to improve, then we need to involve the system. And then we can definitely not say self-improve, yes, then we need to involve everyone so the system can self-improve. If we don't involve everyone, then it's impossible to self-improve since we're not involving the system. Yeah, self-improving organizations is organization that can improve without an external support.